CBS 2's Audrina Bigos is live in the River North neighborhood. Audrina, some construction workers are actually stuck because of the high winds.
That's right, Erica. 7 construction workers stuck inside the building behind me. And this is the building that we've watched for several hours because debris, big pieces of wood and plastic have been falling off. And tonight we talked to the fire chief about what's happening with those workers inside the building.
They're not injured. They're not trapped or anything. They're just waiting for the winds to die down because they do have to walk down wooden ladders a few floors and it's too windy. So they're going to wait till they die down and come down. I said they're stuck up there. They said we're going on the way of safety. We told them to stay up there until they die and they're fine with it.
We're going to VIA, right? We've seen sheets of plywood and 2x4s, big pieces of it flying off the building, also plastic and large pieces of equipment flying off, some debris landing in the river, some hitting other buildings because of power outages and safety concerns. 3 buildings were evacuated on Wacker. And tonight the fire chief says that crews will continue to block the roads in the area until the wind calms down. The good news tonight is we have not seen any debris fall from this building for a little while. We're going to stay updated on those construction workers stuck inside. Live in River North, Audrina Bigos, CBS 2 News. Rob and Erica.
All right, Audrina, thank you.